Hello, my name is Lee Ivy. I'm the Matco Tools rep here at Ohio Technical College, and this is the unboxing of our 80 series Matco Tools service card. This card is decorated in a classic 80s space themed purple paint job. The dimensions of the cart are 39 inches tall, 34 inches wide, 21 inches deep. The lid opens up and gives you space up top for more storage. 2 gas pistons lift the lid to hold it in place. We have 6 sliding drawers with full extension roller bearing slides. Right now these drawers are locked. Slide this across and they're unlocked. If you're an Ohiotech student and you're interested in purchasing one of these beautiful carts, please contact me. You know my number, you know where I'm at. Thank you.